Babe, where are we going?
We're going to the Pokemon thing.
We should have prepared for this. Hey all you colorful sprinkles, today Alli and I are heading to Coulee Cards and Gaming and we're opening up the new Pokemon pre-release set, Journey Together. More specifically, we're opening the Build and Battle sets, which have 4 booster packs in it featuring all the trainers. And in the set comes 4 booster packs featuring the trainers, as well as 4 shots at different promo cards. And some of the cards I'm looking for today include Mr. Mime, these N cards. I love N, so I'm really excited that N's back in the set. And these cards are absolutely beautiful. Of course, this Kilowattrel is gorgeous, but also N's PP Up. Not sure why that's a card. It's kind of funny sounding, so I'm hoping I pull one of those. But with recent scalpers and price gouging, it's been hard to play the game, and luckily places like Coulee Cards and Games has been doing things to combat that.
My name is Troy Lesky. I am a former tournament organizer for the Pokemon Company International. Now I'm retired, but I still help my daughter, Danielle, judge tournaments. We have 2 events today and then the following Sunday. And Danielle and Alex got together to try to figure out how we can get as many people to get some cards instead of just a few people getting all the cards. And they came up with the idea to have a pre-registration for the first event, cap it at 35, and then the following week, people that didn't play in the first event get to play in the second event on a first-come, first-served basis. So everybody gets an opportunity, everybody gets a handful of packs, and everybody gets something.
Before we begin, let's take a look at their counters, see what they have currently. Now, I always like to look at the individual 9 and up cards, because starting at $9, and they go all the way up in the hundreds, because there's some real heat behind this counter. If you look closely, you will see some crazy cards. Look at that, there's the Moonbreon right there. You got the Blastoise from 151. You've got Dark Alakazam. Look at all these. Misty. Incredible. And of course, the Ancient Mew promo that you got at the movie. And then we go into the vintage cabinet and they have a bunch of different vintage pieces that you can look through. I'm not sure what that is, but for $70, that's got to be a pretty cool collectible. We got some Japanese cards in here. Old school Pokemon books. You got the Taco Bell little Pokemon stand-up card things. Look at that. It's crazy to see all this in one place, and it's great to have a local card store where you can find your booster boxes, your bundles, your individual packs as well. Look at that, Evolutions. And of course, you've got your individual $1 to $9 cards. They have everything from Magic the Gathering to Pokemon to Yu-Gi-Oh! Baseball cards, whatever type of fandom you're in, they have it here. It's pretty cool to see all this stuff stocked up in one place. I'm not much of a Magic collector myself, but if you're a Magic the Gathering person, or maybe Loracana, they got that as well. And this was just a new cabinet display they built. I believe these are the Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards that they started to put out on the floor. You got your baseball and football and all your sports cards over here. And while today we're opening Journey Together, I'm also going to open a pack of Hot Air Arena at the end of this. This is the new Japanese set that just dropped. We're going to get to open one of those as well. Since we're here early, we went through the $1 to $9 box and we pulled out a few cards that we liked, including this awesome Pokemon Center stamped promo. It was marked at $7, and that's crazy because I know it goes for a lot more. So I ended up picking up that as a little treat for myself. But speaking of treats, I think it is time to open Journey Together. And Alli's gonna go first. And she ended up pulling the Lily's Ribombee deck. That's what she's going to be playing with today. You got the little paperwork that comes with it. And of course, the 4 packs. And it's kind of neat because we got one of each of the trainer arts. Let's get into the first pack.
Right, for Destroyer. Sticklet. Oh my god. I'm dropping everything. And the Kilowattrel. It's purple. Mala. Nothing. Okay. Compacting. Golem. Excellior. Double. Tormanite. The Belly Bolt EX. Whooper. The Dimple. Whisper. Temple. We got one! Trode. Woo!
Bueno.
Nice. Token of Mars. Love it. L3. Pearl.
Sorry if I'm taking up a lot of
No, you're good.
White Cologne. Darmanitan with a metal energy. Okay, and that's it.
And now I've been anticipating opening these all week.
Oh, cool. I got the N promo.
Ooh.
Nice. Lord. Alright.
No? Anna?
Passive Conquer. Nice! Eris's fighting spirit. Hopefully. Something. Alright.
I got this.
Nice.
Now we only have 30 minutes to build a deck, but I'm actually just going to go with the basic deck that they give you. I don't really want to do all the work of putting together a whole new deck to battle people with, but I just wanted to show you a quick look at what these 40 card decks look like, so you can kind of see what I'm playing with here. You got the Surfer, you got your Fire Energies, Nest Ball, Jet Energy. Oh, there's this awkward card again. Slowly gonna collect these just because they're so funny. TM. Alright, pretty standard deck. I think we can play with this. Okay, now it's time to start our first battle. And the nice part is if you're new to the game or you've never played before, there's always staff on hand more than willing to help you learn how to play the game. Now, my first battle was with this guy who seemed very seasoned and had a deck all handy. It was almost all energy in one basic Pokemon, and it allowed him to annihilate me super fast in this game. So round 1 goes to him, and maybe hopefully we'll do better in round 2. Alright, so how'd your first match go?
That was terrible. I got my ass beat.
Same! Alright, we'll see you round 2. Alli ended up winning 2 of 3 of her battles, and I ended up winning 1 of 3 battles. We all ended up getting prize packs, so let's head home and see what we got. Alright, we're back from Journey together at Coulee Cards and Games, and Alli, how'd you do on your last couple matches?
I actually did pretty good. I got 2 out of 3 won.
I got 1 out of 3 won, and then we both at the end, because everyone at the end who participates and plays the game, they get prize packs. Ours contain some Journey Together and some prize packs. So we're going to open up the Pokemon play packs, and we're going to open up a few Journey Togethers and just see what we can pull at home. Let's go.
I'm going to start with a Journey. Alright. I got a Lily's Comfy, Centrix, Cufant, Lumbray, Articuno, Hot Switch, Loft, Paris, and then Impidimple. Oh, with another Belly Bolt. I actually already got that one. Wow.
Nice.
Fungus, Clink, Lotad, Nimble, Penguirl, Grimmsnarl. Yeah! Oh, I own his Voltorb. I actually got the Electrode. I wanted to get that one. Oh my god, the Cramorant. Oh god. Kilowattrel. Okay, Squovit, Metang, Noibat, Rockruff. Oh, the Vincia, that was a good one. I'm gonna put that aside. Super Potion, Corviknight, Excelgor, Lombre, and a double. The green energy. The prize packs.
Series 6. I'm not actually sure what's in that one.
Me neither. I went into this blind. Alright, Morpeko, Rescue Board, Miraidon, Earthen Vessel, Fan Rotom, and a Water Energy. I got Professor Tauros Scenario, Cypher Maniac's Code Breaking, Frostlass, Counter Catcher, and Noctowl.
Ooh, that's a pretty one.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Alright, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. Alright, so I got a little different selection. We're going to actually save some of the packs here and put them in a little time capsule for later. But let's start. We're going to open, I think, should we just go in this order?
Might as well.
Might as well go in this order. Alright, so we're going to start with Journey Together. Let's open it up. Alright, let's start. We got Darmanitan, Noibat, Geodude, Lotad, cool Corviknight card, Spiky Energy, watch your fingers, Super Potion, Beldum, Geodude, and we got a Clefairy, Lily's Clefairy, very nice, alright. Alright, we got Morty's Conviction, Farigarath, Pheasantipity, ooh, a Ditto card, that's neat, and Archelon, look at that cool Cosmos Hollow, and then a Fighting Energy, alright. Next, this is the new set that, not Journey Together, but this is the new set, Heat Arena, in Japan. Now, there are fewer cards in here, so let's see what we get. Cyndaquil, or Cinderace, Sudowoodo, Rotom, Staryu, or Starmie, whichever one that is, Ogerpon, and that's it. Alright, final pack. This is it. Let's keep our fingers crossed for some last pack magic. Alright, folks, here we go. Carablast, Torchic, Lilligant, Graveler. That's a cool card. Look at that one. Graveler. This one I can't pronounce. Corviknight. Excelgor. Gradient.
Another Excelgor.
Excelgor. Cufant and Lily's Rabombi. Alright. Well, we still got a lot of our cards we're looking for. I still didn't pull the Mr. Mime. I'm upset about the Mr. Mime. But hopefully we will get to open more of this soon. Hey, thanks so much for joining us on this adventure. Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.